Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to craft this stone axe so you can harvest trees and get logs, sticks, and many other things. So to begin, first of all, we'll need to gather some materials. One of which is going to be rocks, which you can find near cliffs as these big stones. Go ahead and aim at them, and by holding your right mouse button key, go ahead and select the option harvest. This is going to give you some stones, 3 of them, and secondly we'll need to find a stick, which can be located at the ground. So just search around the forest, and as you can see, I already found some sticks. Go ahead and pick them up, and press tab, go to your inventory, and then on the right menu here, go ahead and select the craft. Now, go to the option where you see the rope icon, and hold and drag the stick to the stone. Nextly, go to the leaves and rocks menu right here and hold and drag also a stone into the giant rock here. And as you can see, it is going to give us the option to craft a stone axe. So just go ahead and click craft, and we've crafted the stone axe. So this is pretty much all how to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.